Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section and to the date and time. If you want to set up your date and time manually, you have to disable this feature, automatic date and time. Here you can change your date, here you can change your time. You can also change your time zone by disabling this automatic time zone feature. Here you can select your time zone, but firstly you'll have to select your region. And you can also change time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.